Welcome back to TV Vietnam channel. In the previous videos, I shared with you about the two functions of pressurization and dosing of additional water injection of the TB pressurization system. These functions play a huge role in supporting the chiller system to operate with stable pressure throughout. However, today I will introduce to you the third function that also plays a significant role in helping the chiller system eliminate scale and rust, which is the reason of reducing the heat transfer efficiency for the system. And this function called continuously vacuum gas separation. The oxygen in the chiller system will make the pipe burst due to the oxidation reaction, creating moss in the chiller system. It will decrease the productivity of the system gradually. Nitrogen that exists in the chiller system will collide with the equipment valves when operating the chiller, shorten the lifespan of system. Both air valves and air separator can only separate air bubbles with a small velocity that cannot separate the compressed air in water. Obviously, although the air valve and air separator are installed, the chiller system are still rusty. In the high floors of the project, the compressed oxygen in water is very little since the static pressure is low. However, the lower floor, the compressed air oxygen in water is a lot since the static pressure is up to 10 bar and above. In order to remove oxygen and nitrogen, vacuum air separator is used, and this technology is usually applied in food industry. In the chiller system, vacuum air separator is also used properly. Vacuum air separator is creating vacuum pressure in water to separate the compressed oxygen and nitrogen in water to minimize the rust and moss in the chilled pipe. Maintaining heat exchange efficiency to save energy, saving operating costs for the chiller system. The technology of vacuum air separation is integrated into the TB pressurization system. All functions of TB pressurization system, including the process of increasing or decreasing pressure. Water makeup is vacuum air separated continuously. It can be operated independently to separate all oxygen for the system. In the new chiller system, the TB pressure equipment will remove all the oxygen and nitrogen compressed in the water after 3 and 4 days. Vacuum air separation in the TB pressurization system happens continuously, separating air and discharging air at the same time. For other brands, the function of vacuum air separation works for a short period of time, then stop the pump to discharge air.
The velocity in the tab's vacuum air separation only 0.03 meters per second, which means 10 times lower than the velocity floating of air bubble on the surface of the water.
And here are some comparisons between vacuum air separator technology and other air separator technology. Air valve air separator, stop mid-flow air separator. Advantage: operate easily. Disadvantage: separate the air bubble only. The air bubbles are unable to be separated because of the high velocity of water in the pipe, which can be flow with the air bubbles, and is still circulated in the system. The air bubbles is unable to be coached by stop middle flow air separator. The stop mid-flow air separator can increase the obstacle for pressure in the system and increase the operation cost. Air separator technology of other brands. Advantages: separate the compressed air and air bubble in water. Disadvantages: water flows into the system directly without separating air. The productivity of air separation is low. TB's air separator technology. Advantages: separate the compressed air and air bubble in water. Separate the air in all operating modes. In process of increasing or decreasing pressure, in process of water makeup. Productivity of air separation is high. Be able to operate the mode of air separation independently.